Well, normally I don't really ever do any shootings in the metro train, but I have this very nice gentleman with me who's kind enough to subscribe to my channel. And there's a glare coming from the back, but otherwise you can pretty much, you know. And the funny part is, once I upload this video, within minutes, suddenly I have like 6 views, 9 views. So I really need to thank this gentleman, because there's been many times when I've tried to ask people to subscribe to my channel and they stare at me blankly like, what is she saying? So it was very nice of him to, be so forthcoming and things. So see, that's what. Wow, I think when the train is stationary, we are able to get a clearer picture, you know. So yeah, so this is the Hyderabad Metro, and that's what I literally make these 1 minute, 2 minute videos. So yeah, and yeah, so it's already 1 minute complete. So thanks for watching, people. And in my other videos that I will shoot from at home and all, I'll be able to speak for a longer period of time. But yeah, the train is again begun moving. So I'll catch up with you folks in my next video. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.